How to create presentations with Gamma AI. If any day you want to use the Gamma AI to create very cool type of presentations but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. So if you are doing this on your mobile device, you can just follow the following steps here. So first of all, you have to launch the Google Chrome on your mobile device, and after that in the search section, you have to search Gamma AI there. Now after you search Gamma AI and you can search, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the first option, that is the Gamma there, and tap on that. Now after you tap on the option of the Gamma, you can see an interface like this will open. Now at first you have to sign up there, and you can go to the option of the sign up for free and tap on that. Now after you tap on the option of the sign up for free, now you can see that the interface like this will appear. Now what you can do is you can tap on your email here, or you can also continue with your very Google account which you have set in your mobile device there. You can tap on the option of the connect with Google. Otherwise you can also type your very email out there, and after that you can tap on your very Gmail or the Google account out there, and then go to the option of continue on the downside. Now after you go to the option of the continue on the downside, it will take you to the option like this which was done, and this way now the very Gamma app will be open there. Now you can also set your workspace name like this. For example, my workspace name is the Fresher Parties workspace, and you have to create a workspace like this, and you also need to select what your exactly plan is. It could be for your work, for your school, or for your personal use. For example, I would like it for the personal use, so I'm tapping on the option of the for personal use, and there is a next option, that is what kind of work would you do. For example, I would like to do it for education, so I type in education. Now you also need to describe your role, that may be a student or a teacher or administrator. It can also be a very school type, that may be university or another. And how did you just hear about it? You could write about YouTube or any of those options that you heard, and then go to the option of get started. Now after you tap on the option of the get started, it will take you to an interface like this where you also need to write about yourself. If not, you can just tap on like this. Now this way, if you'd like to create a presentation, you have to tap on the option of presentation, and you could also select the type of cards that you want, and you can also write about the very thing that you'd like to make. For example, I would like to write about law here, and I would like to make the race kind of presentation about law, and then tap on the option of generate the outline, and after that you can see a beautiful outline on the down portion, and this way you can see introduction to law, branches of law, civil law, and all of those. And then you can go to the option of continue like this, and after you tap on the option of the continue, now this way when you go to the option of the generate, you can also select a beautiful theme here which is your favorite. For example, I would like to select the theme to the basic light or the basic dark. I'm just setting on the basic dark and then going to the option of the generate there, and after I tap on the option of generate, after a while a beautiful presentation like this is created by the Gamma AI itself. Although I did not write anything here, the Gamma AI wrote a lot of information which is very beautiful and which is very nice. So this way you can create beautiful presentation from the Gamma AI. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.